more drill run here, I guess. We'll run it up to hopefully 800 RPM according to my drill. Can't believe my camera's life lasted this long to get the full wind down. Wow, so there, now you guys finally have it. Hold on, let me set this down. I think I have some more time left. Let's make a little bit longer video here. Show you my progress on some paint stripping. Bear with me, this thing is freaking heavy. Oh gosh. Alright. Whew. So I got the outside of the motor here all ground down. I didn't want to remove the tag because I don't want to worry about not being able to get it back on, so whatever, I'll just masking tape it, work around it, it'll be fine. Got most of the stator stripped off. It's actually really smooth right now all around. Got 120 grit I think finish on there right now. So I think I'm about ready to prime that. The motor cap, let's see. on both sides. Those are relatively rough to begin with, so I think I'm just going to smooth those out just a little bit more and spray them, and they'll be fine too. I got the projectors, actually just got back from dropping them off at Master Blaster in Shakopee, Minnesota. He's going to finish cleaning them up for me. I chemically stripped all 12 of them, but there's still a little bit of rust on them. I'm just going to have him do them up. He'll make them look good, so then I'll get them home and get those in primer too. So they'll be back in about a week and a half or so. So it's a good look for you, I guess. Alright, stay tuned. Keep watching as this thing progresses. It should look pretty sweet here within the next few weeks. Pretty set on lime green for what you see here, plus the intake tube, and gloss black for the projectors. I think that'll look pretty sick. You know, not as authentic, but whatever. This thing was like 4 colors to begin with when I was stripping it down, so who knows what it was originally. Plus, having the unit itself, I guess, doesn't get any more authentic. So, whatever. I can always spray it something different in the future if I decide to. So we'll see how lime green and black looks. So, thanks for watching.